morning friends. Yesterday we have studied about ascending order and descending order. Today we are revisiting our place values. In the first class we have studied about place values, ones, tens, hundreds, etc. Now we are revising that portions. So consider this number. It's an 8-digit number. And consider this 7. 7 is at ones place. 7 is at ones place and 8 is at tens place. 9 is at hundreds place. 4 is at thousands place. 3 is at 10,000s place. 8 is at lakhs place. 7 is at 10 lakhs place and 1 is at crores place. So we are studying place value. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and if one more digit is here, you have to, the place is 10 crore. If one more digit is here. So expansion of number. For example, we can write 86 as 6 lies in ones place and 8 lies in tens place. So I can write 8 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Tens, 8 is there and at ones place 6 is there. So we will detail study this. So we are going into deep. So what is this number? 7 and only one digit, so 7 is at ones place. There is only one digit, it is at ones place. So I can write 7 as 1 into 7. At ones place we have 7. And what is this number? 87. We call it as 87. And 7 is at ones place and 8 is at tens place. So we can write 87 as 10 into 8 plus 1 into 7. So at a tens place we have 8 and at ones place we have 7. So we are adding these two numbers. So 10 into 8 is equal to 80 plus 1 into 7 is equal to 7. So 80 plus 7 I have to write 87. This is our number 87. And which is this number? So read this number. What is this? 987. So 7 is at ones place, 8 is at tens place and 9 is at hundreds place. So we call it as 987. So I can write it as 9 into 100 or 100 into 9, both are same, plus 10 into 8 plus 1 into 7. Or you can write 9 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 7 into 1, both are same. 100 into 9 is equal to 900, 10 into 8 is equal to 80, 1 into 7 is equal to 7. By adding we get 7, 8, 9. We will get our number 987. 987. You have to pronounce with me. 987. So what is this number? 828. So what is this number? So I have place values here, and 1000 there is 4, and for 100 I have 9, and for 10 I have 8, and for ones place I have 7. So adding this I get 4980 and 7. While adding I get 4987. 4987. So this is how we are naming our numbers. So we have another number. For 10,000 I have 3. For thousands place I have 4. For hundreds place I have 9. For tens place I have 8. And for ones place I have 7. So I call it as 34,987. 34,987. So what is this number? 83,107. So you have to pronounce these numbers. And moving into the next problem, we have place values. So what is this number? 8,34,987. So I have 8 lakh. I have 3 10,000. 10,000 into 3. 4 thousands, 9 hundreds, 8 tens and 7 ones. While adding these all numbers I get 8,34,987. Once more, 8,34,987. So this is called expansion. So what is this number? Everybody try. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So what number is this? How you call it as? Here lakh is a team. Okay, 10 lakh and a lakh is a team, and here also 10,000 and 1,000 is a team. So 1 crore 78 lakh 34,987. So this is how we are calling numbers. 1 crore 78 lakh 34,987. So now we are going to study how to use comma. So sometimes you may see while writing some commas are placed. Some commas are placed in between these digits. That is for easy purpose of reading numbers. So first I will say how to use comma. The first comma comes after hundreds place, which means 3 digit from our right side. Consider this number. This is our 1 crore 78 lakh 34,987. So the first comma comes after hundreds place. So 3 digits from our right side. So the first comma comes after 3 digits from our right side. So our right side is this. So from right side I have to count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. After 3 I have to place a comma. And second comma comes 2 digits later. Then count 2 digits. 1, 2. And I have to put another comma. And the third comma comes after another 2 digits. So another 2 digits, 1, 2, place a comma here. So this is how we are giving commas to our number. Now I can read this number very easily. 1 crore 78 lakhs 34,987. So for easy purpose of reading we use commas. And read this question. Write the following numbers using commas in placement boxes. Read that number and also write the expanded form. We have 4 questions here. We have to write the number using commas, and we have to place the numbers in placement boxes, and we have to read that number, and we have to also write the expanded form. So first we are putting commas. So consider this first number. So after first 3 digits I have to place comma, then after 2 digits I have to place comma. So I can write this as 7,34,543. Also, so look at the second number. First comma is after 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Then 2 digits. So I can read this easily. 32 lakhs 75,829. So while putting commas you have to put it like this, not like this, because when we read it will become 71. So after 7 you have to draw a small line, then write another numbers. So if you increase the length of comma it will become 1. So we call it as 718. So a comma should be very small. And look at this third number. First 3 digits and then 2 digits. Now it is 2 crore 57 lakhs 34,543. And this last one, first 3 digits, after then 2 digits. Now we can call this number as 65 crore 32 lakhs 75,829. So this is how we are using commas and we are reading that number. Now we have a placement box here. So we have a number and this is the placement box. This is the placement box and this is how it reads, and this is the numbers expansion. So consider the first number. Using commas I have separated the digits. So it is for ones place. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousands. This is 10,000s. This is lakh. This is 10 lakh, and this is crore, and this is 10 crore. So first I have to place these digits in placement box. As I told earlier, this is our placement box. We have to place each digit. So first at ones place we have. So at ones place I have 3. I have 3. And at the tens place I have 4. At the hundreds place I have 5. At the thousands place I have 4. At the 10,000s place I have 3. At the lakhs place I have 7. So I have no other numbers in 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So this is how we are writing digits in a placement box. Now read that number. It is 7,34,543. 7,34,543. So we have to write the expansion. So 7 into lakh. First I write 7 into lakh plus 3 into 10,000. 3 into 10,000. Then 4 into 1,000 plus 4 into 1,000. 5 into 100 plus 5 into 100. 4 into 10 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 into 1. This is how we are expanding a number. And look for the second example. At ones place we have 9. At a tens place I have 2. At a hundreds place I have 8. At a thousands place I have 5. At 10,000s place I have 7. At lakhs place I have 2. At 10 lakhs place I have 3. For crore and 10 crore I have no numbers, so I put it blank. Now read that number. Using commas you can read 32 lakh 75,829. So now we have to find the expansion of this number. So 3 into 10 lakh. First 3 into 10 lakh, then 2 into lakh, 2 into lakh, so we have to add those numbers. 7 into 10,000, so here we are adding 7 into 10,000, 5 into 1,000, so therefore plus 5 into 1,000, 8 into 100, here we have plus 8 into 100, and 2 into 10, we have 2 into 10, and 9 into 1. So this is how we are expanding our numbers. So consider another example. So writing in placement boxes. First at ones place I have 3. At a tens place I have 4. At a hundreds place I have 5. At a thousands place I have 4. At a 10,000s place I have 3. At a lakh place I have 7. At a 10 lakhs place I have 5. At a crore place I have 2. At a 10 crore place I have no number. So 2 crore 57 lakh 34,543. So that is how we read 2 crore 57 lakh 34,543. And I have to expand this number. So 2 into 1 crore. 2 into 1 crore. 1 crore means you have 7 zeros. Plus 5 into 10 lakh. Plus 5 into 10 lakh. Plus 7 into lakh. Plus 7 into lakh. Plus 3 into 10,000. Plus 3 into 10,000. Plus 4 into 1,000. Plus 4 into 1,000. Plus 5 into 100. Plus 5 into 100. Plus 4 into 10. Here plus 4 into 10. And plus 3 into 1. Plus 3 into 1. So this is the expanded form. and read, see the last number. First, how it reads. At ones place we have 9, at tens place I have 2, then 8, at thousands place I have 5, 10,000s place I have 7, lakh place I have 2, 10 lakhs place I have 3, crores place I have 5, 10 crore place I have 6. So 65 crore 32 lakhs 75,829. 65 crore 32 lakhs 75,829. So this is how we pronounce this number, and we have to write the expanded form. So 6 into 10 crore plus 5 into crore plus 3 into 10 lakh plus 2 into lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 8 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So this is how we have to expand this. So comma is for easily recognize this number. So this is 1 crore and this is 10 crore. I can easily recognize 10 crore. So commas are for easily recognizing numbers. I hope it's clear. Now you make your own table and it should be separated by commas like this. First you write this number separating commas, then in placement boxes. So you have to draw this placement box and you have to read that number. You have to read that number. So you have to write number name, that's all. And you have to write the expanded form. Also you have to write this expanded form. So you have to do work on these 4 numbers. After answering, you can send me through WhatsApp. And thank you.